Hello friends, I am Akanksha Mishra. Welcome all of you here at TNB Academy. Today I am going to brief on ISO 20121 Events Sustainability Certification Lead Auditor course. Let me start with the introduction of ISO 20121. What is ISO 20121? ISO 20121 is recognized as the leading standard certification for sustainable events and their management systems. With the ISO 20121 certification, you can make your event more sustainable, no matter the event size or type. Holding events can often take a toll on resources and the environment, resulting in the generation of a significant amount of waste. This international standard has been developed to relieve any strain on local infrastructure and utilities, therefore reducing any conflict in local communities where events are hosted. Now let me explain you why ISO 20121 is important for you. ISO 20121 Lead Auditor Training enables you to develop the necessary expertise to perform an Event Sustainability Management System, that is ESMS, audit by applying widely recognized audit principles, procedures, and techniques. During this training course, you will acquire the knowledge and skills to plan and carry out internal and external audits in compliance with ISO 19011 and ISO IEC 17021-1 certification process. Based on practical exercises, you will be able to master audit techniques and become competent to manage an audit program, audit team, communication with customers, and conflict resolution. Now let us explain you that who should attend this training. Auditors seeking to perform and lead event sustainability management system certification audits. Managers or consultants seeking to master an event sustainability management system audit process. Individuals responsible for maintaining conformance with ESMS requirements. Technical experts seeking to prepare for an event sustainability management system audit. Expert advisors in event sustainability management. Now let us explain you the benefits of the training course. By joining this training course, you will be able to describe the responsibilities of an internal auditor and describe the role of internal audit in the maintenance and improvement of SEMS in accordance with ISO 20121. Explain the purpose and structure of ISO 20121. Plan and prepare for an internal audit, gather audit evidence through observation, interview, and sampling of documents and records. Write factual audit reports that help to improve the effectiveness of the SEMS. Suggest ways in which the effectiveness of corrective action might be verified. Now we will discuss the learning objectives. Understand the operations of an event sustainability management system based on ISO 20121. Acknowledge the correlation between ISO 20121 and other standards and regulatory frameworks. Understand an auditor's role to plan, lead, and follow up on a management system audit in accordance with ISO 19011. Learn how to lead an audit and audit team. Learn how to interpret the requirements of ISO 20121 in the context of an ESMS audit. Acquire the competencies of an auditor to plan an audit, lead an audit, draft reports, and follow up on an audit in compliance with ISO 19011. Now let's discuss what is training approach. This training is based on both theory and best practices used in ESMS audits. Lecture sessions are illustrated with examples based on case studies. Practical exercises are based on a case study which includes role-playing and discussions. Practice tests are similar to the certification exam. The duration of this course is 5 days, that is 40 hours, 8 hours per day. Day 1, Introduction to Event Sustainability Management System and ISO 20121. Day 2, Audit Principles, Preparation and Launching of an Audit. Day 3, On-Site Audit Activities. Day 4, Closing the Audit. Day 5, Certification Exam. Now let's talk about the global recognition. Let me tell you all about the recognition of this course now. This course is globally recognized and acceptable worldwide. Training offered by the TNV is certified by Exemplum Global. Exemplum Global is a globally recognized certification body which offers personal certification and certification of training providers. Core requirement is to attain a lead auditor certificate from any training agency duly approved by any recognized agency. Being approved by Exemplum Global, TNV Institute is fulfilling all those requirements. I hope that you have come to know the recognition of this course now, which is being offered by TNV. For more information about TNV and various training programs, you can contact us through email or phone. Now this brings us to the end of this session now. I sincerely thank you all for your interest and attention. Thanks and best wishes.